All right. Well, hello, everyone. We are just going to go over how to install Adobe XD on your computer. So hopefully you all are Adobe Creative Cloud subscribers. If you're not, you will need to be for this course and probably through many of your other Bunker Hill courses. But if you are, you'll probably notice that you have this kind of Creative Cloud icon at the top of your screen. And we're just going to click on that. And once we do, you should come to All Apps and then scroll down and find where it says XD. So you can see here, design, prototype, and share user experiences, all the things XD is fabulous for. So once you see that, you're just going to click Install. And hopefully it won't take too long, depending on your internet connection speed. So you can watch it come together and install. Hopefully it won't take my computer too long, depending on my connection speed. And then once it's installed, you're pretty much good to go. You should now see it in your installed list. And then you should be able to find it wherever you find your applications, your software applications. And it should be good there and good to go. So if you have any questions about installing it, or if you don't see something that I showed you, such as the Creative Cloud install or Creative Cloud little app up there or something, just let me know, reach out, and I can try to take a look on your computer too. Maybe we can meet together and get you started with things. So enjoy it.